Hi guys, Aqua here. So the update I'm bringing to you is the gradient network, and it is a deepin just like grass and MyGates and other deepin networks that I have shared on this channel. So it's very simple. Just sign up with your Google account and run the extension in your browser. So once you run the extension, you farm points, and the points will then be converted to their native tokens, which will be liquid and you can now sell for profit or decide to hold for governance purpose. Okay, so this is the screen you are going to get. So once you click on sign up with Google and you sign in, you are going to be taken here. So you click on get boosted. Okay, so once you click on get boosted, you see this particular page you are on right now. So all you need to do is to connect your Twitter account and follow their official Twitter. So if you don't have a Twitter account, you will need to register one. For you to register one, just go to x.com and you can sign up for a Twitter account. So once you are done with that, you've connected and you followed their X accounts, you also need to connect your Discord account. Very important. If you don't have a Discord account, you just go to discord.com. Let me enter the website right here, as you can see on your screen. So once you enter discord.com, you can create an account by signing up. All right, so you can see, just click on login here, but I already have an account, so it's showing me open Discord. So once you are done with all those, all you need to do is to click on add to Chrome. So this is where you are going to add the extension. So once you add the extension, it's going to take you to a new page right here, and you will see add to Chrome right here. So once you've done that, it's going to take you to your dashboard. Okay, so this is how it is going to appear. So you have to sign in again. Now if you go to your extension icon right here, you will see your gradient century extension. Just click on this spin button so that the extension can be at the top. So all you need to do is to click on the extension. All right, once you click on the extension, you will see login and sign up. So you just click on login, then it will take you to the page where you have to sign in. So you sign in with your email, which I did. Okay, so this is my dashboard right here. So you can see 0.0 points, and you can see my notes here: reward, referral, and profile. Okay, so all you need to do is, it's very simple. Just keep this extension running. You don't need to do anything. Now let me go to my main account. I just created this just for the purpose of this video. Okay, so this is my main account right here. So this is where you see your season 0 reward, and this is where you see your today's reward. So what this does is that it gives you points based on your data. All right, what you do on the internet. So all you just need to do is to keep this running, all right, for the duration of time you are online, you are using your PC or your smartphone. If you are using your smartphone, you can download Misses browser, MISES, or Kiwi browser. What that does is that it makes you run browser extensions just like on PC. If you use your traditional Chrome browser, you will not be able to do that. So get the Kiwi browser and follow the steps that I just highlighted for you. Okay, so that's the alpha for today. I'll see you in my next video. And before I go, this is season 0. Okay, typical to deepin programs, they always have bigger rewards for those that participate early. Okay, so please get started and let's make it wag me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to share and